All right, so today we're looking at week 8, day 4, minute 30. If tomorrow is the 4th of June, what day will it be 3 days from now? So 3 days forward would be the 7th of June. The following three numbers are the side lengths of a right triangle: 5, 12, and 13. Which number is the length of the hypotenuse? And remember, the hypotenuse is the longest side of a right triangle. You usually know a right triangle when you see that in the corner. So it would be 13. 9 or 4/9 times 1/3. So when you multiply your fractions, you're going straight across. 4 times 1 is 4. 9 times 3 is 27. Next, for problems 4 through 5, use the grid to the right. The grid has 100 boxes. How many of them are shaded? So I'm just going to double check to make sure these are in rows of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are. So 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 35. How many of boxes in the grid are not shaded? So we know that there's 5 left here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. Which makes sense because you could have also subtracted 35 from 100, or you could have counted. All right, so inside this one, this is not connected to this. When you see this, anything inside the parentheses goes first. So it goes parentheses, exponent, or parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide from left to right, add and subtract from left to right. So here we're going to do 3 plus 9 is 12. And then when you have 4 and you don't have a symbol, this means to multiply. So 4 times 12 is 48. Next, what is the perimeter of the shape to the right? What is the perimeter of the shape to the right? And they want to know how many. So you're going to look on the outside. So that means even this piece as well. So you're counting each side this long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Complete the chart. X is 8 and then Y is 4. So I know if I'm going, remember, if you go from X to Y, that's your direction. So if I'm going from X to Y, 8 to 4 is half. Half of 10 is 5, and half of 16 would be, so we're dividing by 2, 8. Use greater than or less than or equal to complete the problem. If you have 75 cents or 75 hundredths, and you have 3/4 or 3/4 out of 4, how much do you have? Well, this one is actually equal to 75 cents, so these are equal. I talked to a student the other day and they said, well, this is division, right? Actually, it is. So when you put 3 divided by 4 into your calculator, it's the same, 75. So this 75 hundredths is the same. For the bottom, you're multiplying across. 1 times 1 is 1, and 5 times 4 is 20. Same here, 1 times 2 is 2, and 7 times 3 is 21. 1 times 3 is 3, and 10 times 4 is 40. 1/20th, 2/21, and 3/40.